Thanks to the invention of Bitcoin, for the very first time in the entire history of the world, any human being can now send and receive any amount of money with any other human being anywhere on the planet instantly, basically for free. You don't have to get permission from a bank, you don't have to get permission from a corporation, you don't have to get permission from a government. Not only do you not have to get their permission, it's impossible for any of those entities to stop it. So you can now send money from here in LA to Moscow instantly, just like that, for less than a penny. And there's nothing that the Russian government can do, there's nothing that the Chinese government can do, there's nothing that the American government can do. So if you think that it's a good thing that people have control over their own money and they're not susceptible to things like we had happen in Cyprus a few years back, where the government just came in and said, okay, we're going to take, I think it was a third of everybody's money in their bank accounts. If you think things like that are bad, you should love Bitcoin. And even if you haven't used Bitcoin yet, it might sound complicated and difficult, but think of it like email. If I sat here trying to explain to you how email worked, it would sound really hard and confusing, and how could anybody figure out how to do this sort of thing? But once you've used email, it's not hard. It's easy. You just type in the person's email address and you send them a message. Bitcoin's the same way. You just copy and paste their Bitcoin address and you send them some money.
Yeah.
And so the best advice I can give to anybody that's new to Bitcoin, don't be afraid of it. Go on the internet and get a Bitcoin wallet and give it a try. It's really, really easy to use once you've actually used it.
Yeah.